Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into the incredible world of natural healing. For centuries, people have turned to nature to support their health and well-being, and I'm excited to share some of that ancient wisdom with you. We'll be exploring the power of herbal remedies and essential oils, natural solutions that can make a real difference in your life. From soothing lavender to invigorating peppermint, these powerful plant allies offer gentle yet effective ways to support your body's natural ability to heal. If you're looking for natural ways to enhance your health and well-being, you're in the right place. Let's get started. So, what exactly is natural healing? It's all about supporting your body's innate ability to heal itself using nature's gifts. Think of it as working your body, not against it. We are talking about harnessing the power of plants, herbs, and essential oils to address the root causes of health issues, rather than just masking the symptoms. For thousands of years, cultures around the world have relied on these natural remedies, and now science is catching up, confirming their remarkable benefits. Natural healing is about taking a holistic approach, considering your physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. It's about making sustainable lifestyle choices that support your overall health, from the food you eat to the products you put on your skin. And the best part, natural remedies are often gentler on your body than conventional medications and can have fewer side effects. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your health and tap into the incredible healing power of nature. Let's talk about herbal remedies. These powerful allies have been used for centuries for a reason. They are packed with naturally occurring compounds that can have profound effects on our health. What's fascinating is that many pharmaceutical drugs are actually derived from plants. But with herbal remedies, you're getting the whole package. A complex symphony of beneficial compounds working together synergistically. Think of it like this. When you eat an orange, you're getting more than just vitamin C. You're benefiting from a whole range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work together to support your health. Herbal remedies work in a similar way, providing a holistic approach to healing. They can be taken in various forms, like teas, tinctures, capsules, making them easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Now let's talk about the incredible power of essential oils. These concentrated plant extracts are like nature's little gifts, each with its own unique healing properties. They're highly potent, so a little goes a long way. Think of essential oils as the immune system of plants. They protect the plant from disease and damage, and when we use them, we're essentially harnessing that protective power for ourselves. Essential oils can be used aromatically, topically, and even internally in some cases. But remember, quality matters. Always choose pure, therapeutic-grade essential oils from a reputable source. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, support your immune system, or simply create a more relaxing atmosphere in your home, there's an essential oil for that. Let's start with one of the most popular and versatile essential oils, lavender. Known for its calming and relaxing properties, lavender is a true gift from nature for those seeking to unwind and de-stress. Lavender essential oil can be incredibly helpful in promoting restful sleep. Add a few drops to a diffuser by your bedside and let its soothing aroma lull you into a peaceful slumber. Feeling anxious or overwhelmed? Lavender can come to the rescue. Its calming properties can help ease tension and promote a sense of calm. Try adding a drop or two to your wrists or temples and inhale deeply. And if you're dealing with headaches, lavender can provide natural relief. Its soothing properties can help ease tension headaches, allowing you to find relief and get back to your day. Next up, we have peppermint oil, a powerhouse when it comes to relieving headaches, especially tension headaches. Its invigorating aroma can help open up the sinuses and ease pressure, while its cooling sensation can provide soothing relief. To use peppermint oil for headaches, simply apply a drop or two to your temples, forehead, and back of your neck. Be sure to avoid contact with your eyes. Peppermint oil can also be helpful for digestive issues. It can help ease nausea, indigestion, and even irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Try adding a drop or two to a carrier oil like coconut oil and massaging it onto your abdomen. And if you're feeling fatigued, peppermint oil can provide a natural energy boost. Inhale it directly from the bottle or add a few drops to a diffuser to help invigorate your senses. Chamomile, the ultimate bedtime companion. This gentle and soothing herb has been used for centuries to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Chamomile contains a compound called apigenin, which has calming effects on the brain. It binds to certain receptors in the brain that help reduce anxiety and initiate sleep. You can enjoy chamomile as a delicious and relaxing bedtime tea. Steep a chamomile tea bag in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes and enjoy its calming warmth before bed. Chamomile is also available in essential oil form. Add a few drops to a diffuser by your bedside and let its gentle aroma lull you into a peaceful sleep. Let's talk about eucalyptus oil, a powerful decongestant that can work wonders for respiratory issues. It contains a compound called eucalyptol, which helps to open up the airways and loosen mucus. If you're feeling congested, add a few drops of eucalyptus oil to a bowl of hot water. Drape a towel over your head and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. This can help to clear your sinuses and make breathing easier. Eucalyptus oil can also be added to a diffuser to purify the air and create a more breathable environment. This is especially helpful during cold and flu season. And for a soothing chest rub, combine a few drops of eucalyptus oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage it onto your chest and back. Tea tree oil, a natural antiseptic and antifungal powerhouse. This versatile oil has been used for centuries to treat a variety of skin conditions. Tea tree oil is a go-to natural remedy for acne. It helps to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation, making it an effective spot treatment. Apply a drop or two of tea tree oil to a cotton swab and dab it onto blemishes. Dealing with athlete's foot or toenail fungus, tea tree oil can help. Its antifungal properties can help to inhibit the growth of fungus. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil and apply it to the affected area. Tea tree oil can also be helpful for minor cuts and scrapes. Its antiseptic properties can help to prevent infection and promote healing. Clean the affected area and apply a diluted solution of tea tree oil. Ginger, a digestive superhero. This warming spice has been used for centuries to soothe digestive ailments and promote healthy digestion. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help to reduce nausea and vomiting. If you're feeling queasy, try sipping on ginger tea or chewing on a small piece of fresh ginger. Ginger can also help to relieve bloating and gas. It stimulates digestive juices and helps to move food through the digestive tract more efficiently. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger to your smoothies or stir-fries. And if you're prone to motion sickness, ginger can be a lifesaver. Take a ginger capsule or chew on some crystallized ginger before traveling. As we've explored, the world of natural healing is vast and empowering. From lavender's calming embrace to ginger's digestive prowess, these natural remedies offer gentle yet effective ways to support your well-being. Remember, integrating natural remedies into your life is a journey, not a race. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 remedies that resonate with you and see how your body responds. Listen to your body and don't hesitate to consult with a qualified healthcare professional if needed. Keep in mind that these remedies work best when combined with a healthy lifestyle that includes a balanced diet, regular exercise, stress management techniques, and quality sleep. It's all about creating a harmonious balance within yourself and with the natural world around you. Embracing natural healing is about empowering yourself to take control of your health and tap into the incredible healing power of nature. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the world of natural healing. I hope you feel inspired to incorporate some of these powerful remedies into your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more natural health tips and share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you, and be sure to tune in next week when we'll be diving deeper into the world of essential oils, exploring their incredible benefits for everything from boosting energy to promoting restful sleep. Until then, take care and embrace the power of natural healing.